As political events, elections may trigger violence and conflicts in societies. Although rarely the cause of conflicts, elections can exacerbate latent tensions between communities and may create a high level of tensions, thus affecting people's lives and hindering socio-economic development. The end of 2020 is marked by highly sensitive elections in West Africa, such as Burkina Faso, Central African Republic, and Côte d'Ivoire. And monitoring risk of electoral violence is more important than ever. Elections in highly volatile political scenarios may be an entry point to conflict prevention and risk mitigation. The European Commission and the United Nations Development Programme have developed together an electoral violence, early warning and early response system.
Democratic governance is essential for maintaining peaceful societies, and that is why the European Union partners with the UNDP to support free and fair elections since 2006. Recently, we jointly developed an early warning and early response mechanism to identify risks and to prevent electoral violence. For the system to work, civil society and state institutions need to share information and coordinate their responses.
The European Union and UNDP have been collaborating and supporting elections together over many years now. Recently, however, we have realized that electoral violence is occurring more and more, and that there is a need for early warning and early response, and that this early warning and early response requires civil society and government institutions collaborating, dialoguing, collecting information, but information that is directed to doing preventive actions and early response. This is fundamental for democratic governance. It's fundamental to make sure that elections bring the right results. And it's about national ownership of the different actors. This includes civil society, the press, and of course the national institutions. And this is why partnerships such as the EU and the UN, who have same value bases and who are in support to governance and to democracy, of us coming together and supporting democratic elections with results and freedom.
The joint EU-UNDP Early Warning and Early Response Initiative is being implemented in several African countries. For example, in Burkina Faso, ahead of the November 2020 elections, our joint project facilitates training on conflict prevention for officials organizing elections. And we also provide electoral commissions with software to report on violent incidents. All of this strengthens our joint efforts towards peaceful societies.
The information is collected at the local level by monitors that come from civil society organizations or state institutions like electoral commissions or human rights commissions. The information is then transmitted to a central level where it is analyzed and actions is then taken based on evidence collected.
By preventing electoral violence through multi-stakeholder dialogue and coordinated response, this initiative is in line with the Paris Peace Forum's mission to provide hybrid coalitions and innovative solutions for peace.